In this presentation, you will learn about the important topics as well as the case study for advertising and contemporary society. In the case study, you will be given a product and service, and you need to create the advertising strategy in different international markets. So, firstly, in the question, you will see that there are three groups mentioned. Group 1, where we have developed countries, US, UK, Italy, and others. Group 2, emerging countries like China, Japan, Brazil, South Korea. Group 3, Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, etc. Select and specify the product that you want to work with. So you can clearly write, I have chosen to promote and develop the advertising strategy for and the particular product or service. Okay. Also keep in mind the two countries that you are choosing have to be from different groups, not from the same group. Prepare an introduction about the product you have selected. Describe the target audience, giving demographics and psychographics. Mention the name of the countries that you will be advertising in. Also mention your USP, your unique selling proposal, and utilization of mediums to advertise. Now, I'm sure all of you have studied the parameters. So we need to work with the parameters. So our numbers will be the first one, geographical and natural environment characteristics specify for each country. So country 1 and country 2. Second, the demographic structure and distribution of population. Third, political environment, functioning of the government and its stability. Fourth, economic environment, unemployment rate, inflation, etc. Fifth, social environment, lifestyle buying pattern. Sixth, technological environment. Seventh, legal environment. Eight, educational factors. Nine, cultural environment, symbols, values, norms, language, etc. 10th, individualism or collectivism, whichever the country is famous for. 11, power distance index or PDI. 12, uncertainty avoidance index or UAI. 13th, masculinity or femininity. 14th, high context versus low context. 15, long term versus short term. 16, indulgence versus restraint. 17, media limitations. 18, ad challenges. All these are described in your notes as well as in your textbook. So you should have no problem with the case study. For the theory, the LPG policy, FDI, MNC are important. Impact of the advertising industry, effect of advertising on women, youth, children, important. Controversial advertising, gender bias advertising, popular culture, types of advertising, so political, B2B, retail, financial, digital, advertising in USA, UK. So these are all for your case study. Once you study them properly, you will use them in your case study. Social marketing, effects of social marketing. This is important for the practical question that you get, where you have to make a social marketing campaign for any social cause. It could be an awareness campaign on malaria, or it will ask you to create a campaign to encourage people to follow traffic rules, or a campaign for senior citizens welfare. So effects of social marketing will enable you to answer that practical question. Wishing each one of you all the very best for the exams. Do well.